Hi everyone, I'm Joshua with Lighty Contractors. I'm going to show you how to reinstall your toilet after you put a new laminate floor down. For this we're going to be using a couple different things. We'll be using a pair of pliers and a new wax ring with a gasket. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your area is clean here. Make sure there isn't a bunch of wax built up or a bunch of dirt and grime just caked on there. Make sure it's nice and clean. After that, pull your toilet around and make sure the base of the toilet is nice and clean. Make sure there isn't a bunch of wax built up there. A little bit is just fine. Take your wax ring and firmly place it over the hole of the toilet. After that, you want to take the gasket and make sure it goes down the hole here. This way all the water can just shed right around it without getting caught up there. At the same time, you want to make sure that your mounting bolts go through the appropriate holes. After you get it down, you want to take the mounting bolts and apply the nuts on top of it and kind of wiggle it back and forth side to side to help spread that wax out underneath the toilet. After you get it tight, you want to make sure you don't go too tight and crack your porcelain. You just want to get it snug, and in a couple days come back and retighten those after it gets sat on a little bit and pushed down. Next step, go ahead and hook back up your water supply line. Slowly turn your water back on after you get your supply line hooked up. The tank will fill. After that, flush, put the lid on, you're ready to go. I'm Joshua with Lighty Contractors, and you just learned how to reinstall your toilet after new vinyl. Thanks for watching and good luck with your next project.